Hello students, welcome to the class. Um, Due to some family issues, medical issues of my family members and my illness, I couldn't give you the classes last few days. Uh, Still I'm sick, but I will try my best to continue the class. So please cooperate with me and just follow the classes. And today's class based on the chapter 9, and I'm going to discuss some creative questions and knowledge based questions which I gave you the on Monday, maybe on Monday, last Monday. So I'm gonna just explain those questions. So please don't miss this class, and the next city will be held on this chapter and these questions. So just stay tuned. Okay, let's continue the class. At first, I'm gonna discuss just knowledge based questions. I gave 25 questions on last Monday, those same questions here. I think you just collected the questions. First one is, what is the standardizing? You know that standardizing means dividing the products based on the standard. So it is called standardizing. What is the advertising? Advertising means this is the way to introduce your products to the consumers. What is direct marketing? Direct marketing means when without any help of middle businessmen or middlemen, when producers or manufacturer directly sell to the consumer, this is called direct marketing. Between whom business intermediaries act as a bridge. uh, between whom business intermediaries act as a bridge, that means intermediaries just act as a bridge between manufacturer and consumers. Number 5, which one can deliver products from one place to another? That means this is transportation can deliver products from one place to another. What is the name of the company's main document? Company's main document, you know that this is the memorandum of association. Number 7, what does make the product attractive? That means packaging does make the product attractive. Okay. Oh, sorry. What is the standardizing? What is standardizing? I just mixed up with the grading. I am very much sorry. Standardizing means this is the evaluating or assessing the standard of the products. So standardizing means you can identify the standard of the products, or based on the standard you have to set up the price of your product. And what is grading? Grading means when you classify or divide your products on different types, on different types based on the standard, then that is called the grading. Okay. So standardizing and grading. Standardizing means you are identifying the or assessing the standard of the product and setting up the price for this product. And grading means when you classify your products based on the standard, this is called grading. What is the main asset of business? What is the main asset of business? That means this is the reputation is the main asset of business. Number 10, what is packaging? You know that packaging is the process of what you say packaging is process of making the product attractive, and also it makes sure it just ensure that it is safe from any type of damages. So packaging just helps to helps to get safety from the damages, and also it helps to make the product attractive. So this is called packaging. What is salesmanship? Salesmanship is the way or strategy of a salesman to attract the for attracting the consumers to the products. So this is called salesmanship. What is retailing? Retailing means when a retailer just collect the product from the wholesaler or manufacturer and then sell it to the consumer. That is called retailing or retail business. What is marketing? Marketing is, in general, you can say that marketing is just is the process of buying and selling. What kind of qualities good smile qualities good smile of salesman is? That means good smile, what type of quality it is? Good smile is salesman. This is the physical qualities. What is finance? Number 15. Finance is finance in generally you can say that finance is the way of collecting fund through which buyers and consumers get quality products. Through which buyers and consumers get quality product, that means marketing. By marketing, buyers and consumers can get quality products. Number 17. How many types of utilities does marketing create? How many types of utility does marketing create? That means 3 types of utilities, that is transportation, storing, and purchasing. So ownership utility, then transportation utility, and last is storing utility. Now 3 types of utilities does marketing create. What type of utilities are produced by the marketing? That is ownership, transportation, and storing. 3 types of utilities are produced by the marketing. What kind of utility does the warehouse produce? Warehousing or storing, whatever you say, and that means what type of utility? This is time utility. Warehousing, producing, warehouse just produce the time utility for the marketing or for the product. What are the considerations in choosing the medium of advertisement? Now, what are the considerations? What you have to think about while you choosing the medium of advertising? That means you have to think about your products quality, products price, and also the consumer sector. So these are the considerations choosing the medium of advertising. What is the distribution process? What is the distribution process? Distribution process means it is the way of delivering the products from manufacturer to consumers. So this is distribution process. What is the first function of marketing? First function of marketing is purchasing or purchase. For whom is the product produced? That means কাদের জন্য তৈরি হচ্ছে? So you can say that the product is produced for consumers. Or which is the most expensive medium for advertising? Which is the most expensive medium? That is the sky advertising. Okay, this is the most expensive medium of advertising. You can find it out in this chart. Sky advertisement. Yes, this is sky advertisement is the most expensive advertisement. This is the on the basis of what you can select the media of advertisement. That is the answer. The media for advertisement is selected on the basis of demand, quality, price, and buyer of the product. That means demand, quality, price, and buyer of the product. প্রোডাক্টের চাহিদা, গুণ এবং দাম এবং বায়ার কারা সেটা বিবেচনা করতে হবে. You have to think about the buyer. So demand, quality, price, and buyer, 4 factors. You should think about the 4 factors while you choosing the medium of the advertisement. So second what kind of utility does the transport provide? Transport provide the place utility. So these are the 25 questions, and I'm just I know you are all you know about these answers. Still I just discussed it because it will help you if you just don't find out any answer. So just clearly try to clearly listen it. I just told every answer of this question. So now these are some creative questions, and I am also gonna discuss this. First one is, Mr. Iqbal has a new shop. There are clothes available for women and children. He's using an auto rickshaw to spread the name of the shop in the city. The person of his shop is also smiling and handsome, so he is getting a good response in a short time. When you are using a transport for advertisement, what it is called? What is the name of this system? Here you can also find it. Car advertising. When you used any type of transport for advertising your product, that is called car advertising. Okay, first question is what is marketing? You know that marketing in general, just for 1 mark, so you can write it down. Then marketing is the process of selling and buying. If you write down this, I will also give you 1 mark. I won't cut any mark, so it is the correct answer. And also, if anyone you want to anyone want to write any elaborate answer, okay, that will be okay, that will also welcomed. So just don't worry. Why is the product required to be wrapped? Explain why it should be packaged. Because you know that it will help to it will help my product to keep safe. Also it helps to makes the product attractive to the consumers. So these are the thing, you can just write it down in point. So 2 marks will be easily you can get pointed. 2 or 3 points you can write it down. First one is the packaging, covering the products to look good and attractive and protect them from any damage or breakage. So these are the importance of packaging, or for this reason the product should be wrapped. So this is the answer. For 2 marks you don't write it much. How did Mr. Iqbal advertise in his shop? Why is advertising important? How did Mr. Iqbal advertise in his shop? I just already told you that this is the car advertising, and you will explain when you are using any type of transport service for your advertisement process, or you advertising the product, then it is called car advertising. And here in the stem, Mr. Iqbal just used as auto rickshaw and an auto rickshaw to spread the name of the shop. So you can easily say that this is the car advertising. Why advertising important? You know that advertising important because if you want to introduce any new product to the consumers, you have to just get help from the advertisement. So just can't ignore the importance of this of the advertisement process, because it will help to get the more possible feedback from the consumers, and also they are feel comfortable and they feel attracted to the new products. And so that you can say that advertising is very much important. How did Mr. Iqbal attract buyers? Do you think he should continue to the work to hold the buyer? That means here, how did Mr. Iqbal attract buyers? What is the process? He just firstly he just used the card advertising, that means advertisement process, to spread the name of the shop and also attract the buyers. And with that he also used salesmanship strategy. That means he just hired a good looking handsome smiling hair salesperson, and it will help it just helped him to get the buyers for and get the buyers easily, and just getting a good response in short time. That means advertisement and also with the salesmanship, he just attracted the buyers. Do you think he should continue to do the work to hold the buyer? That means this thing should be continued by the Mr. Iqbal. Yes, it should be continued. That means advertisement is necessary, and it will just you have to continue it when you are introducing new products. Then you have to you just must advertise it, and also you have to think about the salesman. Cause if salesperson are handsome, good looking, and well behaved, then it will obviously help you to get the good response from the consumers. So Mr. Iqbal should continue the work what he was doing. So this is the answer. Number 2, Alom is the owner of the tea garden. He supplied tea produced in his garden in different parts of Dhaka city. Sorry. Different parts of Dhaka city alongside the local market. He wants to market his garden tea all over Bangladesh. Okay, what is grading? Grading means I just told you on the knowledge based question. Grading is the process of dividing the products based on the standard. What do you mean by warehousing? Warehousing means storing the products for keeping the products safe. One time products for one season to another season, just you can use it for one season to another. So that is called warehousing. That means you are keeping the products safe in the storage and using it in better time. So this is called warehousing. Describe the methods. You will find out better answer in your textbook, so just write it down for 2 marks. Describe the methods that Alom has followed in marketing the tea produced in his garden. Describe the method that Alom has followed in marketing the tea produced in his garden. That means when he is marketing his tea, that means supplying the tea, what he is using the transportation. Transportation is the function, just a function of marketing, that is it is important function, and it just create a utility of place utility for products. So yeah, then you will describe the transportation system and just relate it to the STEM, and continue, just complete the answer. So this is thing. Describe the methods that Alom has followed in marketing. So the methods Alom has followed, this is transportation. By transportation, help of transportation, Alom can supply the tea from garden to different parts of Dhaka city alongside the local market. So this is the answer. What kind of benefits can he get if tea is marketed in all over Bangladesh? Analyze it. When it is marketed in all over Bangladesh, that means the business will be huge, the profit will be huge, better employment opportunities will be created, and also the reputation of the business will spread away from country. If it is possible, then you spread it from country to abroad. So these are the things, or these are the benefits can he get if he just market it, or tea is marketed in all over the Bangladesh. That means the business will be huge, the profit will be huge, the capital also will be huge, but that will help you to get the better introduction to the all over the country and also to the abroad, and it will just open a door for new opportunities. So these are the benefits can Alom get from marketing the product tea all over the Bangladesh. Number 3, Mr. Jewel built a large-sized mango garden in Rajshahi. During the production season, he supplied mango from his garden to the pickers of big cities including Dhaka. But this year, he managed to save 5,000 mangoes uh, because of the decline in the price of mango. This reduces his anxiety. That means he has a mango garden in the Rajshahi, and he supplied mango from big cities of Bangladesh. But this year the price is just down, so that she just storing or warehousing some mangoes, so that he can sell it in better time, or better price, with the better price. So this reduces his anxiety. So that means 2 works is done by Mr. Jewel. First one is transportation, when he is delivering the mangoes from all over the cities. That means he is using transportation. This is one function of marketing. And when price is down and warehousing some mangoes for the better time, better season, or better time, for better price, so that is he is using the warehousing. That means two functions of marketing is done by Mr. Jewel. First question: what is the standardizing? Standardizing means, I just told you that this is the identifying the standard of the products, and also setting up the price based on the standard. What kind of quality is sharp intelligence of a salesperson? Sharp intelligence, that is the physical or mental ability. You can find out here. Sorry. Oh, okay. Sharp intelligence, this is the mental quality. Keen intelligence or sharp intelligence, whatever you say, this is the mental quality. So write down it for 2 marks. What kind of qualities is sharp intelligence of a salesperson? It is the salesperson. Keen intelligence is the mental quality. So just explain it in 2 or 3 lines, so it will be enough. What is the initial work done by Mr. Jewel according to the STEM? Initial work, I just told you, this is transportation. When you are supplying mango from one city to another, that means you are using the transportation. Mr. Jewel is using the transportation. So just explain the transportation process and relate it to the STEM. Number D, analyze the marketing work that helps reduce Mr. Jewel's anxiety. By which function or which work Mr. Jewel just reducing his anxiety? That means he just warehoused, or he just stored some mangoes, 5,000 mangoes for the better time, for better price. So that means this is the thing that reduces his anxiety. So this is called warehousing. Analyze the marketing work that helps reduce Mr. Jewel's anxiety. That means we can say that warehousing reducing Mr. Jewel's anxiety. And then you will explain the warehousing process. You will find it on the function of marketing in your textbook, and describe it and just relate it to the with the STEM. Then complete the, and last of all, just 1 or 2 lines, just complete or conclusion the answer. So this will be okay. So these are the questions. Just I was discussing some creative questions and some knowledge based questions. The next city will be the next city will just based on this chapter will be held on I think Wednesday. Since I was sick, and I couldn't able to give you any classes, so this week I couldn't take any city. But so for the best, maybe I am able to continue the classes and cities from next week. So just be prepared, and just cooperate with me and stay tuned with me. So don't miss any classes, and please pray for me and pray for my family. So goodbye till then. Bye bye.